The US President Donald Trump has imposed a $100,000 annual fee on H-1B visa applications, a move that could reshape US immigration and hit Indian tech professionals the hardest. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Signed on September 19th of 2025, the proclamation aims to ensure only highly skilled workers enter the country without replacing American talent. The H-1B program, launched in 1990, enables US firms to hire foreign experts in IT, engineering, and science. Valid for 3 years and extendable to 6, the visa is dominated by Indians, who made up 71% of approvals in 2024, far ahead of China at 11.7%. Major tech giants like Amazon, Microsoft, and Meta rely heavily on the program, with Amazon alone securing over 12,000 approvals in the first half of 2025. The new fee could cost these firms billions, while individual applicants, especially those stuck in long green card backlogs, will face prohibitive renewal costs. Trump also revived a tougher citizenship test and unveiled a gold card visa priced at $1 million for individuals targeting elite entrepreneurs. Analysts warn the steep H-1B fee could accelerate reverse brain drain, with Indian professionals choosing to stay in or return to India's growing tech ecosystem. Let's look into today's headlines. Oracle in talks for a $20 billion AI cloud computing deal with Meta. Oracle is in talks with Meta for a multi-year cloud computing deal worth about $20 billion, underscoring the social media giant's drive to secure faster access to computing power. Oracle would provide Meta with computing capacity for training and deploying AI models, in addition to Meta's existing cloud computing providers. Oracle offers integrated cloud technologies along with flexible deployment models, enabling it to meet a range of customer demand. SAP announces Sovereign Cloud in India. SAP has announced the launch of its SAP Sovereign Cloud in India. Designed in full compliance with India's National Information Security Policy and guidelines, the new offering empowers governments and regulated industries to modernize with cloud and AI while retaining full control over their most sensitive data and systems. Amid shifting global dynamics and the unprecedented growth of AI-driven innovation, SAP Sovereign Cloud in India strengthens cloud innovation with 4 key dimensions of control, that is, data, operational, technical, and legal sovereignty. LinkedIn updating terms on usage of user data for improving AI models. LinkedIn has announced an update to their terms of service starting November 4th. Under the new update, user data will be shared to train their AI tools unless users have manually opted out of it. The platform also extended the kinds of data that will be shared with Microsoft for ad personalization. This data may include the user's LinkedIn profile data, feed activity data, and ad engagement data. It does not include any data that the user's settings do not allow LinkedIn to use for ad purposes. Google Gemini to bring AI agents for Mac and Windows in Chrome. Google has announced that its Chrome browser will be getting deeper Gemini AI integration on Mac and Windows without any additional cost for users. The company has also announced agentic browsing, including AI mode in the address bar. Now Gemini features AI-driven scam protection, automatic password resets, and other upcoming enhancements. The rollout starts later this month in English, with expansion to more countries and languages planned. Microsoft rolls out Gemini Copilot AI on Windows 11 PCs. Microsoft has started expanding access to its AI-powered assistant Gaming Copilot on Windows 11. The earlier tested feature is now rolling out to PC players globally, with availability in all regions except China. According to a release, the Gaming Copilot will also arrive on the Xbox mobile app for iOS and Android in October. Gaming Copilot appears as a widget inside the game bar on Windows 11. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.